Hello student, myself D.S. Jain, Professor and Head Department of Botany, Gangamai Education Trust, Art Commerce Science College, Nagaon, Dhule. Welcome to my channel. I am going to present a PPT on family Asclepiadaceae. If you like the video, please subscribe and like my channel and share it too. Let's start. Family Asclepiadaceae. There are some examples: Calotropis procera, Calotropis gigantea, Hemidesmus indicus, Asclepias, Demia extensa. These are the pictures showing Calotropis procera, Ruchkin. These are the flower of Calotropis procera showing calyx, corolla, androecium. Calotropis gigantea, flowers of Calotropis gigantea. Picture of Hemidesmus indicus, the flower of Hemidesmus indicus. Asclepias, Demia extensa. Geographical distribution. The members of the family Asclepiadaceae are distributed mainly in subtropical region with few in the temperate regions of both hemispheres. The family includes 175 genera and 2200 species. Distinguishing characters of the family Asclepiadaceae: plants, herbs or shrubs with opposite exstipulate leaves and milky latex. Flowers actinomorphic, bisexual, pentamerous with reduction in gynoecium. Stamens adnate to the pistil forming gynostagium. Filament united into a hollow column enclosing the style. Carpels too united by their styles and free below. Fruit follicles. The picture showing gynostagium having petals, corona, stigma, pollenia. General characters of family Asclepiadaceae. Vegetative characters: habit usually herb or shrub, erect with milky latex. Stem herbaceous or woody, sometimes covered with profuse hairy growth and wax, for example Calotropis. Milky latex present rarely. Succulent, for example Hoya, showing typical xerophytic features. Leaves cauline and ramal, simple, opposite or whorled, exstipulate, entire, ovate, base, semi ampulexic caule, sessile, acute, lower surface hairy, unicostate, reticulate venation, milky latex present. Calotropis procera stem, and from this stem the latex is extracted. These are the phyllotaxy of Calotropis procera having opposite decussate phyllotaxy. Floral characters: inflorescence racemose, umbel or cymose. Flower complete, regular, bisexual, hypogynous and gynandrous. Calyx sepals 5 deeply divided or basally connate, quincunxial or imbricate estivation. Corolla petals 5 united, generally rotate, sometimes campanulate, may be contorted or rarely volvate. Androecium consists of 5 stamens which are united, forming a hollow tube with horn-like appendages known as staminal corona. Epipetalous anthers are united to the margin of the pentangular stigma forming a gynostagium. pollen cohering into two pollen masses, sac-like structure known as pollinia, one lying in each lateral anther lobe. The pollinia of two anther lobes are united by a structure known as translator. The translator is made up of two parts: corpusculum, a gland-like structure which is attached to the margin of the stigma; retinaculi, by means of which the pollinia of adjacent another lobes are attached to the corpusculum. The pollen grains of each half anthers are united together in a structure called pollinium. Each pollinium has a translator by means of which the pollinia of two adjacent anther halls are united. Translators has corpusculum which is gland-like and a pair of retinacula or the connectives. These are the complete flowers having gynostegium, petals, corona, pollinia. Gynostegium, petals, corona, stigma, pollinia. The translators having the pollinium, corpusculum, retinaculum. Gynoecium, carpels too, with the two usually distinct and almost superior ovary, united only by the stigmatic surface. Each ovary unilocular with many ovules on a marginal placenta. Style 2, filiform, stigma 1, 5-lobed and thick with 5 lateral stigmatic surfaces. Fruit 2 follicles. Seeds usually with a coma of long silky hairs at the micropylar end. Thinly endospermic, embryo large. Floral formula. The picture showing the gynoecium, stigmatic disc, style ovary. TS of ovary having the parts ovary wall, locule and ovules. The floral diagram of family Asclepiadaceae. The fruit follicles. After the fruit dehisces, the structure shows like this: long silky hairs and thin endospermic embryo. Economic importance. Medicinal importance. Dried roots of Hemidesmus indicus are used as a blood purifier in chronic rheumatism and urinary diseases, and the roots of Tylophora are used for the treatment of asthma. Gymnema sylvestris plants is usually in cough and sore of eyes. Fiber yielding plants. The best fiber obtained from the stem of Asclepias keratopis gigantea, used for cordage, fishing nets. Ornamentals. Cryptostagia grandiflora is evergreen xerophytic climbing shrub with beautiful colored flowers. It is cultivated for its ornamental value. Ceropegia are also ornamental value. Rubber yielding Cryptostagia grandiflora, commonly known as rubber, and yields inferior quality of rubber. Food. The flowers of Gymnema lactiferum are eaten by the peoples. Points of biological interest. Asclepiadaceae The pollen grains are enclosed inside the pollinia. From the corpusculum diverge two arms of the translator called the retinaculi, which are connected to the two pollinia as the insect site on the stigmatic head to draw the honey. The legs of the insect gets entangled into the slit or space between the pollinia as it tries to release itself. The corpusculum gets attached to its leg and with its the pollinia are drawn out of the anthers and carried away by the insect. As it visits another flower, the pollinia are transferred to the stigmatic surface and the pollination is thus affected. These are the pollinia. These are the translators having corpusculum, retinaculum and pollinium. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share it. See you in next video. Thank you.